Hello friends, welcome to our channel Simply Mathematical. In this video, let us look at the subtopic trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. Okay, this is in the chapter 3 trigonometric functions 11th standard. Okay, so here what we have to do is we have to look at some of the formulae which are there in this subtopic. Okay, so the 1, 2 and 3 formulae I have already done in the previous video. Okay, in this video I will do the formulae from 4 to 8 which are in the NCERT textbook of 11th standard. Okay, so I will be referring the textbook here for the formulae, and the numbers are the same which I will do in this video. Okay, so first let us look at the fourth formula. The fourth formula is cos of x minus y equal to cos of x multiplied by cos of y plus sin of x multiplied by sin of y. Okay, so this formula we have to look at. I will give you the proof here. Okay, so also for each of the formulae which we will do. Okay, further. So cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now you know that cos of x plus y is equal to cos of x multiplied by cos of y minus sin of x multiplied by sin of y. Okay, so this formula I have already done in the previous video. Okay, cos of x plus y is equal to cos of x cos of y minus sin of x sin of y. Okay, so here it is plus, so you get minus here. Now we have minus here. Okay, now what you do is just replace this y by minus y. Okay, so replace y by minus y in the above equation. Okay, that is this. So what we will get, cos of x minus y equal to cos of x multiplied by cos of minus y. Okay, minus sin x sin of minus y. Okay, so this we are getting. So this is equal to what? Cos of x. Now you know that cos of minus y is equal to cos y. Okay, this formula I also have done in the previous video. Cos of minus y is cos y. Okay, minus sin of x multiplied by sin of minus y here. So sin of minus y is nothing but minus sin y. Okay, this also I have done earlier. So what you get is cos of x cos of y minus sin of x minus sin of y. Okay, so cos of x cos of y minus into minus is plus sin x sin y. Okay, so therefore what you get is cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y. Okay, plus sin x sin y. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, that we wanted. Okay, now let us look at the fifth formula. So fifth formula is cos of pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. Okay, this is the formula. So how to get this? Let us see. Now from the formula 4 that you have, okay, from formula 4, okay, just replace this x by pi by 2, okay, and y by x. Okay, so in this formula what you do is just replace x by pi by 2 and y by x. Okay, so what you will get is cos of pi by 2 minus x, that is the left hand side of this formula here, right? So which is equal to what? Now from the formula 4 what you get, the formula 4 is this. Okay, cos of x minus y, so that is cos x, so cos pi by 2, right, multiplied by cos y, so cos x here. Okay, plus sin x which is pi by 2 right, sin x, so sin pi by 2 multiplied by sin y, so which is x here, right, y is x here, so sin of x. Okay, so you get this. So now if you look at this, cos of pi by 2, you know that it is 0. Okay, cos of pi by 2 is 0 multiplied by cos of x, right, plus sin of pi by 2, you know that it is 1. Okay, 1 multiplied by sin of x here. Okay, so 0 multiplied by cos x will be 0, plus 1 into sin x is sin x. Okay, so this is nothing but sin x, right. So cos of pi by 2 minus x, right, is equal to sin x. So this is the formula. Okay, now let us go to the sixth one. Let us go to the sixth formula. So the sixth formula is sin of pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x. Okay, this is the sixth formula. So now how to derive this, let us see. By formula 5. Okay, so by formula 5 what you have is okay, so here what we have to do is you have to use the formula 5, right. So what is the formula 5? Formula 5 is this. Okay, cos of pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin of x. Now here what you have is sin of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so if we replace this x by pi by 2 minus x, right, then let us see what we get. Okay, so in the formula 5 replace x by pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so formula 5, in formula 5 if you replace x by pi by 2 minus x, what you will get is cos of pi by 2. Okay, cos of pi by 2 minus x is replaced by this, so pi by 2 minus x, right. So cos of pi by 2 minus bracket pi by 2 minus x you will get, right. Okay, which is equal to what? Which is equal to sin of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, because you have replaced x by pi by 2 minus x. So what you will get is sin pi by 2 minus x, that is this, is equal to cos of pi by 2, right, minus pi by 2 plus x. Okay, so which is nothing but pi by 2 minus pi by 2 gets cancelled, you will get cos of x. Okay, so what you are getting is sin of pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos of x. Okay, so that is the formula, okay, that we wanted. Okay, now let us look at the seventh formula. The seventh formula is sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y, okay, plus cos x sin y. Okay, this is the seventh formula. Sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, so here what we have to do is we have to again use the formula 5. So by formula 5 what do you have? See, formula 5 is cos of pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x, right. This is the formula 5. So by formula 5 replace, okay, replace, okay, don't replace. So by formula 5 what you get is this. So sin of x plus y, okay, that is this, okay, the left hand side of this equation, that will be what? Now since here it is x, you get cos of pi by 2 minus x. So since here it is x plus y, you will get cos of pi by 2 minus, okay, x plus y. Okay, since it is x here, you get sin x equal to cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, now since here it is x plus y, you will get cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y. Okay, so this will be what? Cos of pi by 2 minus x minus y, right? Okay, so this is what? Cos of pi by 2 minus x, okay, bracket minus y. We can write it in this way, right? Just we are writing a bracket here to denote that this is one term. Okay, so cos of pi by 2 minus x minus y. Okay, now if you use the formula cos x minus y, okay, which is the formula number 4, okay, so what you will get? So by formula 4, what you will get is, see, cos of x minus y is cos x cos y minus sin x, plus sin x sin y, right? Cos of x minus y is cos of x cos y plus sin x sin y. So here what you will get is cos of pi by 2 minus x cos y plus sin of pi by 2 minus x sin y. Okay, this you will get, right? Okay, now if you look at this, this is what? Cos of pi by 2 minus x, which is nothing but sin x. Okay, so sin x cos y plus this is sin pi by 2 minus x, which is by the formula 6 cos x. Okay, cos x sin y you will get. Okay, now this is by formula 5, okay, and 6. Okay, so you get what? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So what you got is sin x plus y, which was the left hand side, equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, so this is the formula, okay, that we wanted, right? Okay, now let us go to the next formula, which is the 8th formula. So the 8th formula is sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y, okay, minus cos x sin y. Okay, this is the 8th formula. So let us see how to get this formula. So again you have to use the formula 5 here. So in formula 5, okay, replace no, not replace. So here it is by formula 5. Okay, what you get is sin of x minus y, right? So which is equal to what? Which is nothing but cos of pi by 2 minus this x, okay, that is x minus y, right? So just by formula 5, what you get is sin x minus y is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus this x, that is x minus y. Okay, so this is nothing but cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y, right? Okay, so then what you'll get is cos of you can take pi by 2 minus x together. Okay, so this is, we are denoting it as one term plus y. Okay, so now if you look at this, this is nothing but the formula 3. Okay, cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y, so that is cos x plus y formula. Okay, so cos x plus y formula is what? So it is cos pi by 2 minus x, right, cos y, okay, minus sin pi by 2 minus x sin y. Okay, so cos of x plus y is nothing but cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, so we get this. So now if you look at this, we can use the formula 6 here, or formula 5 here. So what you'll get, cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x, right, and this is cos y, okay, minus, now again we can use the formula 6 here. So sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x, so this is cos x, right, and sin y. Okay, so what you have got is sin x minus y, okay, is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, so this is the formula 8 that we wanted. Okay, so that's it in the video, guys. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.